go. So today we are at Universal Studios Hollywood. Mwah. Haven't been to this one. We've been to the one in Orlando countless times, so excited to compare the two and see what they have. Also, Super Mario World is here. They are currently building it in Orlando, but it won't be done till 2025. So I'm getting a sneak preview before any of you Floridians do. Woohoo! Looks like they have a city walk here, like the one in Orlando. See if it's just as good. Had to get an express pass. And Veterans Day weekend, so all the rat racers are out here. They don't have a forbidden forest in Orlando's Harry Potter World, but they have one here. Here we go. Yeah, Orlando's way better than this. Like out of this world better. Don't touch the mushroom head, guy. Don't touch the mushroom head, my guy.
So we're leaving Super Nintendo World. No strollers allowed in there, so that kind of sucks, but it was pretty cool. I mean, it was super crazy busy, and they only have one ride in there, which is surprising because I thought it'd be a lot bigger. And the one ride that they did have, it was like 180-minute wait time. But we did come on a holiday weekend, so that's kind of our fault, but yeah, it was really cool in there. I would check it out maybe on a Tuesday when it's raining, maybe even in a hurricane, because it's just too damn busy in there.
Yeah, you guys got to come here. Full on earthquake, a tornado, hurricane, rain, and then maybe the line will be like 100 minutes. We're leaving the park now. We're gonna walk through City Walk, do some shopping, maybe get some food, some drinks. Harper needs a lollipop real bad, so we gotta find a lollipop for Miss Princess. Go back to the RV, pack it up, and we'll be in Santa Barbara tomorrow.
Overall thoughts, Mike, what did you think of this place versus Orlando?
Oh, versus Orlando is out of the park. Kills this place. This place is tiny. There's like 0 rides. The only 2 real roller coasters they have is the Hippogriff, which is like a baby ride, and the Mummy, which I think is like half the length of the one in Orlando. Orlando has the, whatchamacallit, the Velociraptor, the Hulk. They have like all that stuff. The City Walk here, I like the City Walk here better though. It's like more compact, so you don't like feel like you're getting lost, and the stores are cooler.
Yeah, there's more like shopping here in the City Walk than there is dining. The other one in Orlando, they have like a whole little club area, Bob Marley bar, and it gets kind of rowdy over there at night. I don't really see this place doing that. There's a lot of like Abercrombie, you know, stores like that. Not really like a club scene.
So we just left Orangeland RV Park in Anaheim, and we are on the way to Santa Barbara on Pacific Highway 1. So we just left the campsite, and this is right across the street, walking distance. This beautiful nature. This water's cold though. This ain't Florida. Only one way to do things in life, and that's just to fucking go for it. Ooh, it's cold. What's up? So we're in Santa Barbara for the day. We're at Finney's Craft House watching the Jags game. Woo. Not off to a good start, so that sucks. Right? Say go Jags.
Daddy has been called.
Yeah. What do you think of Santa Barbara?
I love Santa Barbara. Just like, we just parked, so we really haven't walked around it all yet. But it's like a bougie version of Huntington Beach. Everything is just like so hoity-toity, and I can't wait to like explore a little bit.
And do shopping, I'm sure. Didn't know they had an aquarium here, but Santa Barbara has an aquarium on the pier. Where are we going? Where are we going?
Up, so we just got to the KOA. We finally just got settled in. That 5-hour drive felt like longer than that. Well, it wasn't 5, 3?
It was 3.5 hours.
It felt really long for some reason, but we're here now. Getting set up. Jackie is chilling with some milk. Harbor's behind me in the stroller, grilling up some steaks. Just getting like a nice little reset here because we're staying for 5 days, which is nice because you're not always packing up all your crap, moving it to the next place, so we can actually unpack and settle down here. What are we doing tomorrow?
Probably going to Monterey Bay Aquarium, and then the next day we're going to Santa Cruz to do the boardwalk, and then the next day we're going to Alcatraz. And then the next day, and then the next day, and the next day.
Shut the hell up, Mike.
And the next day, and the next day, and then the next day, and then the next day. What's up, guys? So today we're at Monterey Bay Aquarium, considered by many to be one of the best aquariums in the United States. So come on, let's go check it out. Excited to see all the fishes?
Yeah.
It's gonna be cool, huh?
Yeah.
All right, where do we go first?
Bathroom.
Woo! You see it? I love otters, sea puppies. So all the water out here in the bay gets pumped. There's some yellow intake valves, go 60 feet under the water, gets pumped into the pump house, goes in here, and pumped into their Cal Force where it's filtered and distributed to all the exhibits. That's pretty awesome. They use real ocean water for all the animals in here. This place is so awesome. Come on, do it, do it. Do the thing, do the thing. Come on, do that thing I like. Come on, do the thing. So all this oxygenates the tanks, just like in the sea. Want to touch it?
Yeah.
Touch it. Pet. What's it feel like?
It feels like
What's it feel like? Slimy?
shiny.
Flounder. You guys see that? It's right there. What's that look like in the middle there?
Butthole. Looks like your butthole.
These are the crevice dwellers. Now this is cool. This beats even, I think, the Atlanta Aquarium.
Same reason we don't have trades anymore.
Elevators, elevators, escalators, elevators, elevators go up, escalators go up, up, and elevator. To the robot, elevator, elevator. Yeah, I'd say this place beats Atlanta Aquarium. Everyone says Atlanta's is the best, but I think that's just because they have a whale shark. This place is unreal. Look, they have the 2-story kelp forest with water getting directly sourced from outside in the Pacific Ocean. All the animals here are swimming out there right now. They have otters, wild otters and wild seals out there that you can look at. This place is unreal. Great job building this. Everything's hand-on too. They have so many animals you can touch. This is upstairs. We did downstairs. You can touch so much stuff.
Pretty?
Yeah.
Yeah. How about pick this one up and see what the inside of that one looks like?
The open sea. So now we're walking down the old fishing wharf, trying to find some lunch. Maybe buy some chaskies. We don't know. Want to go eat at Bubba Gump?
I bet you do.
It's probably a really good place.
Probably not touristy at all.
I mean, I'm thinking either there or Panda Express if they have one nearby. Monterey Bay. What a pleasant surprise. I didn't really know what to expect, but this place is cool. Huh? John Steinbeck. Who's John Steinbeck?
An author. He wrote Of Mice and Men, Grapes of Wrath.
I'm uncultured, so I wouldn't know.
Well, no one got you hooked on phonics when you were a kid, so you can't really read that well.
Damn it, Mom!
I really want to pet a baby seal, but I think it's illegal or something.
I did it.
When?
In San Diego? Yeah, San Diego.
Oh yeah.
You were there with me.
If you're from the EPA watching this, no, he didn't. That was a lie. That was a joke.
All right, we're entering Old Fisherman's Wharf, built in 1846. Ooh, steampunk, bro. Man, I think I can live. I could live here. Monterey Bay. It's kind of like Maine, but on the West Coast.
What drink is it?
It's my favorite drink.
What is it called? Mexican Bulldog?
Coronito? I don't know.
Mike said it was his favorite new drink.
This is delicious. It comes off with a little hat. Oh, you think you're cool with your little hat?
I need me one.
Harper, you think you're cool with your little hat?
You think you're cool with your little hat and your little line?
Oh,
And Captain Jared is driving the boat. This is the Pacifica, the name of the vessel rather. And then we're here in Monterey Harbor looking around for some common marine mammals, such as sea lions, which we see every trip. We got harbor seals and the southern sea otters. On his forehead. It's called just sagittal crest. The mature males, they have a bone there that grows. That sagittal crest is a bone that grows.
That thing's eating real.
Any guesses?
Alright, so trip has just started. Cold beverages. Leaving Monterey Bay. You're laying back on my ship again, Jack. Oh, you went wet. What is that? Vacate. Man overboard. Harper, look. Saw them go down?
Yeah. Power in the GoPro, too wide.
We're getting close now, you can get that. Wow! You see him? Cool, huh? Say hi. Yeah.
So we've been on a lot of like boat tours since we've been in the RV. This one has been the absolute best. So we've seen sea lions, we've seen cormorant birds, we've seen whales. There's so many humpback whales out here today, and it is just gorgeous. It's like 62 degrees. The staff is wonderful with Harper. Like they're giving her a whole spiel about whales and stuff right now. So if you're in the area of Monterey Bay, this is a great idea for a day trip. I mean, it's only 3 hours, but definitely worth it. It's beautiful, and I mean, we're here in November, so it might be different depending on what time of year you come, like the different wildlife and stuff like that, but there's so much to see out here. So if you can, get your ass on a boat and come out and see some damn whales.
What's up? Today's been kind of a lazy day. Cleaned the RV, ate some breakfast, found this place. Surrounded by the redwood forest. Don't really know what it is, but we're going to find out.
Anybody else have an idea?
You're going the opposite direction.
I'm going the opposite direction. Okay, there's a word for this. It's called leaning. I'm leaning right now, and we're all leaning right now. We're leaning at a 12-degree angle, believe it or not. If you don't believe me, I can show you. If we all turn towards the bottom of the hill and put our feet together just like this, everybody, you're not too cool for it. Come on. By doing this, you guys will notice now your feet are way out in front of you. Believe it or not, about 6 weeks ago, I had a guy on my tour, and he told me this is the first time he sees his feet since college. We're changing lives out here. Well, now we're just gonna push it into the cabin, so we know it's not just me doing it. We can see it stop for a second. And then it'll start back up. Did you see it? I'll do it again, just for fun. I don't have anything better to do. I didn't blow on it, I swear. Okay, but you know what? A ball can be rigged so many ways. So here's something I really can't rig. You ready for this? This is water. We all love water. I can prove it's water. It's water. Okay. We put the water on the board. Guess what? Just like the ball, the water rolls right off the board without me even having to touch it. Everyone give it up for the board of mystery. Mystery spot, we have to make an exception because this table is so great at showing off that 17-degree angle. A lot of people like to do fun poses up here. They like to be like Superman or like Rose from the Titanic. Okay, you can do whatever pose you want. But if you're gonna get on this table, I highly recommend you don't jump off the table. Because everybody, if you feel dizzy right now, that's totally normal. But you might be a little bit more dizzy with a concussion, okay?
So, my honest review of this place. What a scam. It's literally just a crooked cabin. And like, obviously, if you're on a hill, you have to lean like this. But it's just natural. It's your body fighting against gravity to stay level on a crooked plane. What a stupid place. It's trying to say aliens came here and shit. All right, so we left the scam place, AKA the mystery spot. And now we're at the Santa Cruz fishing wharf.
Whoa.
That is sweet. Oh, look at that octopus. Whoa, is that cool? The Santa Cruz Wharf. Pretty cool. What do you think?
I think it's pretty cool. Weather sucks, but
I like the weather. It's like cool, like mysterious by the sea. What's up, my boy? What it do, my boy? Look, he about to jump. All right, so we're on the Santa Cruz Wharf. It was built in 1914. Big tourist attraction around here for fishing, dining, nightlife, gift shops, lots of shopping around here. So I like that part. And it's the longest pier on the west coast of the United States. Some fun facts for you guys about the wharf. And it smells like seafood everywhere. I don't know if it's seafood or if it's seal poop, but it smells good. And then like off in the distance when you're walking, you can see the border of the big redwoods, the redwood forest area. Got a couple wise guys watching us eat our food. We're at River Fish House. What did you do, Casey? Casey just fed this bird chocolate cake. We Googled it, said birds can't have it because they have diarrhea and heart problems.